Europe is on the brink of economic and energy security disaster. Canada is not far behind. Warning signs are flashing everywhere. Like Europe, Canada signed onto the COP21 Paris Agreement climate commitment in 2015. And now, like much of Europe, the UK, and Germany in particular, Canada's prosperity is waning. Heavy investments in renewables, clean energy, have not made Germany a climate leader. Instead, it's become the sick man of Europe. Former Prime Minister of Italy, banker and economist Mario Draghi issued a recent report on the future of European competitiveness. But Professor Samuel Fafari, a geopolitical expert on energy, issued a rebuttal, calling out the European fixation on climate policies and so-called sustainable solutions in this report issued by the Clintel Climate Intelligence Network. There are many lessons Canada can learn. Robert Lyman has summarized key points in this new report. Here are 12 points, paraphrased. Canada's present and future economic and social well-being is contingent on abundant and affordable energy. Energy security is key. Avoid heavy state intervention and subsidies in green technologies. Innovation and competitiveness are products of private enterprise, not bureaucratic schemes. Empower market forces and private sector innovation. Abandon top-down industrial policy. To become more competitive, lower energy costs and remove regulatory burdens. The energy and climate policy debates should be grounded in facts, not slogans, and should engage not only experts and politicians, but also citizens and industry. All options should be scrutinized without prejudice, including those currently deemed politically incorrect. Nations require a sensible energy policy based on a balanced mix that incorporates nuclear energy, oil, natural gas, and mature, unsubsidized renewables. Recognize that oil and gas and nuclear energy will remain pillars of our energy mix for decades to come. Accordingly, natural gas should not be viewed merely as a transitional energy source to be phased out, but rather as a cornerstone of our long-term energy security. Without rational energy use, competitiveness is unattainable. Innovation necessitates increased support for basic and applied research, not the funding of politically determined projects. Much of Europe teeters on the brink of economic disaster, largely because Germany's industrial and economic might is rapidly collapsing. Climate ideology became entrenched in Canada in 2015. Will we end up like Germany? Or can we learn lessons from Europe on the brink? It's late, but not too late. Let's jumpstart